What is the difference between traditional PR and digital PR?
So usually digital PR has a lot more SEO benefits. So companies will want the campaign or whatever method you've been using to get a backlink from a publication that obviously improves their SEO ranking. Whereas traditional PR is mainly just for awareness, and it sometimes doesn't have sort of clear metrics on which to measure it on. But what I think we're finding now is that a fusion of the two is actually what's working really well. Like I know at Rise at Seven, we love doing stunts and sort of things that would be considered a lot more traditional PR tactics, but we're using them as part of a link building campaign because we know that this will be written about online and provide SEO benefit to our clients as well as really good brand awareness from the stunt itself.